pinamili kayo. Thank you sa pasalubong. Ay, dalawa kami. Aljit! Namili sila. Kala ko fake na. Hi! Congratulations!
It's indeed a bittersweet day as we gather to celebrate not just an end, but also a new beginning.
Praise the Lord. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Praise the Lord. And others, for their unwavering support is always there. Give them also 3 claps and say, I made it and I will make you proud. I will make you proud. And of course, look at your alma mater. The academic and administrative officials, your dean, your program chair, your clinical coordinator, the level heads, your clinical instructors and professors, of course your dean. Also, lahat ng tao na tumulong sa inyo, your clerk, and even the guards who make you safe while you are in school. Give them also 3 claps and say thank you. And of course, huwag niyong kakalimutan ang inyong sarili. You've been under different pressure and predicament, sabi nga ni Dr. Celis. And sabi din ni Father kanina. There are so many sufferings in our life that only you knew about. Tama? And for that, give yourself 3 claps and say, I'm ready, I will pass the board exam. I'm ready, I will pass the board exam. Now you may sit down. Thank you.
The 17 units of the Nursing Skills Laboratory and 36 units of the clinical duty required for the nursing RLA hours. By successfully completing all the requirements of the said course and who have been recommended by the faculty of the College of Nursing in recognition of their clinical accomplishment.
By virtue of the authority delegated to me by the President of the Lyceum of the Philippines, University Cavite, and upon the recommendation of your college dean, I do hereby confer upon you the certificates for which you are qualified with all the rights and privileges there are to obtain. Congratulations, everyone.
Ladies and gentlemen, to present the candidates for their certificate of RLE completion and to be donned by their rings. Here is BSN Class 2023. Mr. Dave Carlo T. Ballesteros. Miss Maria Abeline D. Happy Maluba.
Exceptional competence and calm under pressure in the surgical unit, demonstrating precision and dedication in assisting with surgeries. And this award goes to Miss Iris Guarino.
Congratulations! Anak, kuhanan mo sila pag ano. Ay, nak. Hi, Erish.
Mahalin ang buhay ko at kung maling sasabihin
Ano ba lakihan to?
nais ko sabihin lakan mo ng buhay ano
Thank you sa pasalubong. Ay, dalawa ka, babe. Aljit! Namilig sila. Kala ko, babe. Tapos ako gagawin. Halika na ko.
Kapag po sa
Kasaanan?
Punta kasi kami ng Tagaytay mamaya. O sige. Punta muna kami sa nanay. Birthday lang ka na.
Sige, sige.
Makukuha ka lang sa'yo. Ay, malapit na yun.
Bago si Lotoy. Sipag. Picture ko kayo, nak, picture ko kayo. Gusto mo dito na lang? Alala. Tuwang-tuwa dito. Hayaan mo na. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa, lay malapit. Thank you.
Kayo po sumama, ma-picture ko kayo.
Ay, sige, thank you. Oh, iba pa. O, iba naman. Maghiwalay naman kayo. Nakaganon. Yan. 1, 2. Ikaw, ano? Yan. 1, 2, 3.